When it comes to cosmetic procedures, 3D imaging puts a new twist on the old try before you buy and helps patients visualize results before having the actual procedure. Dr. Alfred Sofer heads up the Plastic Surgery Center of Fairfield and is board certified. Welcome, Dr. Sofer. Plastic Surgery of Fairfield is located in downtown Fairfield, and you offer quite a lot of procedures. Can you tell us what some of those are?
Sure. I specialize in all areas of plastic surgery, including rejuvenation and reconstructive procedures. The rejuvenation aspect is invasive and non-invasive aspects of procedures, such as Botox and fillers, and the invasive aspects are the surgical procedures, such as face lift, blepharoplasties, and breast enhancement, body contouring. And I also do a lot of reconstructive procedures for patients with cancer, such as breast cancer or any other skin cancer.
And all this at your practice, which is just a beautiful location right downtown Fairfield. What is perhaps the most popular procedure that you offer here?
I would say a lot of the non-invasive procedures are very common nowadays. And breast enhancement is probably the most invasive surgical procedure that I do, including body contouring. But the reconstructive aspect of the procedure is quite strong in my practice as well.
Let's talk about the 3D plastic surgery imaging and how it works and how it helps your patients. So let's take a look at that. It's called the Vectra 3D Breast Imaging System. How accurate is this?
Well, it's actually very accurate. It is still a simulation, but it's really a tool to help us determine what patient is going to look like. You know, a lot of times patients come with the concern of, what am I going to look like? I want to look natural.
They want to be able to visualize it. They really want to see what's going to happen to them.
Exactly. And when they bring magazines and they say, this is what I want to look like, or, you know, they stuff their bra with things to stimulate what it would look like,
yes.
Well, it's not really realistic. And with this tool, we can actually show what it's going to look like.
So the woman stands in front of the
right.
Camera.
Basically, it's a camera it's a device that has 6 cameras, and through those 6 highly defined pictures, we can actually create a 3D simulation of a patient's own body. And the program, the software, has all the database for the implants, and through that we can actually choose the type of implant that is correct for the patient, and with her input we can decide what is actually going to the outcome is going to look like.
And can this be used for other parts of the body?
Yes, actually it can actually be used for face as well. Through that we can determine what if she has a laser procedure, what amount of the pigments is going to be reduced. If she's having chin implants or facelift or blepharoplasty, it can all show that in 3D and give a better idea of what she's going to actually look like.
So after somebody takes a look at this, does this usually convince them to have the procedure done?
Almost all the time they are convinced that this is what they want. So it's been very successful. We're very excited about it, and I look forward to show it to everybody.
Very good. And as I always tell people, when you undergo a plastic surgery procedure, you really need to go with a board-certified plastic surgeon.
Yes, and this is something that our society is working very hard to make sure people understand that there are all types of physicians that are performing plastic surgery, and it's really important to check their background and make sure that they are certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery.
Very good. Again, the Plastic Surgery Center of Fairfield is located downtown Fairfield, and that address is 33 Miller Street. The phone number right there on the screen, 203-336-9862, and your website is drsofer.com. Lots of great information. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you for having me.
You're